What's up, grooming fans? Let's talk about the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000, the 21-piece powerhouse that's becoming to go-to for serious styling. Priced around $89.96 on Men's Health and Best Buy at $89.99, this one lands in the premium mid-range that feels justified. What's stunning about the 9000 series is its stainless steel precision tools, premium build quality, and smart beard sense tech that adapts power based on your beard density. 16 hands, this thing levels up your grooming game. Men's Health says, for a multifunctional, powerful tool, this is the most economical pick out there. And design-wise, it's next-level luxe. Seriously, it feels like grooming art in your hands. With nearly a 4.7 to 4.8 average rating from hundreds of users, people rave about how many attachments you get and how well it performs overall. Personally, using it feels like going from sketching with pencils to painting with a full art supply. Everything just clicks into place perfectly. If you're on a mission to invest in a serious, all-in-one grooming solution that excels in precision, power, and durability, the Multigroom 9000 is your stylish match. And yep, don't forget, we share by links in the description box so you can gear up fast.